Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. All right, you guys, so I am super duper excited for today's video because I am going to be sharing my nighttime skin routine, and I'm also partnering up with Duvolle, which was so kind to send me this right here. This is the Radiance Skin Care System, and I am so excited to try this. I haven't purchased one of these in so long, and when they reached out to me, I was like, absolutely, I want it. I need to try it. Not only am I going to try it, but I'm also going to be giving you my honest opinion. I'm going to be adding this to my nighttime routine, and I can't wait because you guys, look, I have all this makeup on, and this is going to put it to the test. We're going to see if this really works. Okay, so before I get into it, I'm going to share a little information on this right here. So again, this is the Radiance Skin Care System. It has 4 interchangeable accessories. It has a facial exfoliation brush, a large body cleansing brush, facial cleansing brush, and a pumice stone. So it has 4 heads for the one system, which is amazing. You have something for your body, you have something for your face, you have something for your feet. It is perfect. So let's jump in. I'm going to start by sharing with you what the product looks like. So the first thing I'm going to be taking out of the box is the base, and what I love about it is the color. I love the aqua and the white. And as you can see, it is a water resistant face brush. It feels really nice in your hands, and it is cordless. It also operates with 4 AA batteries. I also see the on and off button, which is great. It's right here. So that is the base. All right, so for the first brush, this is the body cleansing and exfoliating brush. It's supposed to help remove dead skin cells from your knees, arms, elbows. Great before self-tanning, and also really good for back acne. So if you suffer from that, it would help a lot. This will help brush all that out and help remove the dirt, all that good stuff, you guys, which is great. I've never tried a body brush, but I'm really happy that this comes with it. So I can't wait to try this out. All right, you guys, so this is the next brush head. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's super duper soft, you guys. I can't wait to try this out. It's supposed to help gently cleanse and remove dead skin cells to unclog pores and eliminate deep-seated dirt to reveal radiant looking skin. I can't wait, you guys. Oh my God, it's so soft. All right, so the difference between that one and the other little one that comes in the system is that this one is an exfoliating brush. And I don't know if you guys can tell, it is also soft, but it also is a little bit more stiffer because it's supposed to help exfoliate the skin. It's supposed to deeply cleanse and exfoliate. It minimizes the look of pores. It helps minimize and improve the appearance of the skin while enhancing your skin's ability to absorb the skin care, which is great because we want to make sure that whatever we're putting in is, you know, your skin is sucking that in. We want that to penetrate, you know? So can't wait to try that. All right, so last but not least, we have the pumice stone, which looks like this. It is a little bit more rougher, but then again, you guys, this is for your feet, or you can also use it on your elbows. It helps remove the calluses or hard, dead, and dry skin. So if, you know, you're having issues with your feet, your heels, you know, you just grab one of these and you're good to go. Like I said, you guys, I really love the fact that it comes with 4 different brush heads because you can take care of your body, your face, and your feet with one system. So really excited. All right, you guys, so let's jump in. I do have a bowl of water in front of me because I am not in my bathroom, as you can tell. So we're gonna take care of everything right here right now. So first, I like to go in, where is it, with this right here. Well, actually, first we're gonna remove the lashes. Woo, gotta remove those lashes, guys. I'm also gonna be grabbing a clip, and I'm just going to be clipping my hair back, which is what I normally do. Sometimes I have like a little band or whatever that goes around my head, but no, we're just going to go in with a clip today. And I'm going to be going in with this right here. This is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. You guys know what this is. This is going to help remove the makeup before going in with my cleanser. There is another product that I like to go in with. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I absolutely love this stuff. I have the mini one. I also have a larger one, but I remember getting these at samples, and I have a lot of these. Not samples, but I got these from points from Sephora. And I love these. They're so good, you guys. I'm telling you, this literally just melts the makeup off your face, but it's a little messy, so I'm not going to do that right now. So I'm going to go with the other one, which is this one. I usually just go in with some cotton rounds and just go ham. Alright, you guys, so now that I'm done removing as much makeup as I could with the micellar water, now I'm going to go in with my cleanser. I'm going to be going in with the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. This is the Youth to the People brand, and I actually really, really love this stuff, you guys. It's so good. If you're looking for a new cleanser, definitely check that one out. Alright, so going in with the cleansing brush, but first, before I go in with that, since I'm not in the bathroom, I am going to damp my face just a little bit because, you know, want to make sure that the cleanser has something to lather up to. Now going in with the cleansing brush, I am going to wet that just a little bit, and I'm going to just pump one pump on to the head. And here we go, guys. I'm going to turn it on. It feels really soft. Ooh, look at that. You honestly don't have to like move it. The brush does the job for you. It feels really good too. I feel like it's really cleaning my face. Wow. Alright, so real quick I'm going to show you guys what the brush head looks like. You can see I have makeup on there, which means the brush did what it's supposed to, remove as much makeup as possible. So I didn't have too much, I don't think. It definitely cleansed my skin, as you can see. I do like the brush, how it feels on my skin. It's not super rough. It feels really good. The motion is really nice. You really don't have to go with the brush. The brush is doing the job for you. And I also like the fact that it feels like a nice little massage, you know? Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wash the, rinse off my face, and then I'll be back. Alright guys, now that we're done with that, I am going to move on to the rest of my skincare. I'm going to be going in with this right here. This is the Paula's Choice Exfoliate Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliate. This has salicylic acid. It's good for all skin types. It unclogs and shrinks enlarged pores, smooths an even skin tone. It's lightweight, liquid absorbs quickly, which 100% agree with all of the claims here, you guys. I've been using this for a couple months now, and it's so good. So if you can get your hands on it, I highly, highly recommend it. It says to go in with a cotton pad, but honestly, I like to go in with my hands because I feel like the cotton pad is just going to absorb, and I'm just going to waste product, So I feel like going in with my hands directly to my face is the best way. I'm going to be going in with my moisturizer. So this right here is so good, you guys, and a little goes a long way. I've been using this for so long. I actually started with the daytime one, which I have somewhere over there, but this one is the It Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep for all skin types. It's skin transforming pillow cream, rest and restore technology. You guys, this feels so good on your skin. And I'm very picky with moisturizers. Like, I like to feel like I have something on my skin. I don't like my moisturizer to go on and then disappear, you know, and my skin feels dry after. I like to feel like just lubed up, you know what I mean? I love it. It feels so good. I even go on my eyes. I don't care. I apply it everywhere. Go in my neck. Just massage it. Push it upwards. You don't want to go down. You want to go up. So, but sometimes like it's just, I don't know, like I forget, so I'll go down. But you know what? You really want to just go like this to your skin. Well, to your neck. Just apply that moisturizer. It feels so good, you guys. Oh my god, you have no idea. It feels so good. I love this one. And it smells so good. Now we're gonna go in with some eye cream. So this is the Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm. You guys, this is also really good. It's nice and creamy. And I just go in right underneath my eye and then just grab my ring fingers and just apply it all underneath and around, just like that. And also, whatever's left, I put on my lips. Don't want it to go to waste, you know? Sharing is caring. It's not gonna harm your lips. If it's going on your eyes, which is like super duper sensitive, I mean, it's good for your lips as well, you know? And I usually go in with my Laneige lip sleeping mask, but I have no more left, so I have to pick up another one. I can't even scrape much left in here. Yeah, there's actually just a little bit. The littlest bit, but this is also really good. I want to try a different one though, because my lips this winter have been so dry. If you guys can recommend something, let me know down below. I would greatly appreciate it. All right guys, so real quick, I want to share my final thoughts with you guys on the skincare system. I feel like it worked really well to help remove the rest of the makeup I had left on my face. It was gentle, and I love the fact that it felt like a nice little massage on top of me cleansing my skin. So I really enjoyed it. I felt like it definitely cleaned my face really well. Once I washed everything off, rinsed my face, and I used a white towel, you guys. I don't have like makeup on my towel, which is great. Highly recommend it. And real quick, you guys, I never mentioned the price of this. So this actually goes for $95, but Duvolle actually gave me a coupon code to share with you guys. It is for 70% off, so you'd be getting it not for $95, but you'd be getting it for $28.50, which is great. I mean, you can also buy replacement heads for your system, which is great. I actually was looking into that because I'm going to be buying the heads to replace it because I really did enjoy it. And also always make sure to to clean the brush head. You always want to make sure it's clean for the next time that you go in with it. Just an FYI. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. Also, I want to thank Duvolle once again for partnering up with me in today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!